All right, this was a Verizon iPad Mini 3, and I wanted it to be an AT&T. So I ordered a SIM card that from Walmart for $6, and I took my iPad Mini 3 and I took the SIM card out. And then you go to General. Then you hit Reset. And you go up here to Reset Network Settings. You hit that. Then, after it comes back, you hook up to the Wi-Fi. Then you put your AT&T SIM card in. And I did. And it wouldn't work. So then I did another reset with the AT&T SIM card in. Hooked up to the Wi-Fi. And it worked. And I was able to purchase time, and it was just like a regular AT&T where you prepay or you can pay monthly, and it worked. So there you go. Because I couldn't find any information anywhere, and no information, and I just did it. All right, so do yourself. You can do the same thing.